Welcome to MarbleFlows, an all-in-one automated and gamified onboarding and engagement software. The software that can help you increase product adoption and engagement, personalize your users' in-app experience, and as a result, reduce product churn and increase revenue. The sign-up process here is very simple. The only thing you need to create an account is an email address. After typing in your email address, you have access to your account on MarbleFlows. All necessary information with the credentials is automatically sent to your email inbox. After the registration process, you get into the product itself and you're good to go to create your first flow. But how can a flow be created? First, it can be built from scratch. Also, you can go to templates to browse different pre-built flows for different purposes and preview them to decide if this template is something that you're looking for. After clicking on Use Template or Create Template from scratch, in this case I will create a flow from the template. You enter the editor where you're able to adjust and change your flow. But what is a flow itself? A flow is an interactive component consisting of interconnected pages that contain different types of content. The flows are used to onboard, educate, and navigate users within your product or website, helping you create a unique customer journey for each user. Okay, which type of content can be added to the pages of the flow? You can add different types of text, pictures and GIFs. You can link videos, set up predefined and custom backgrounds. To connect pages to each other or other resources outside the flow, there are various types of buttons. To make connecting pages more convenient, you can assign a name to each page. The elements of the pages are very customizable. You can change the size of the elements, their color, and positioning. One more great piece of content you can add to your flow is a gamified survey that is also very customizable and can bring more interaction with your users through the gamified elements embedded. At any time, you can preview the flow created. Just click on an eye icon and go through it to get the necessary user experience. You can go back to the editor to make changes if needed. If you feel that the flow is ready, it's time to share it with your audience. You can share the flow in 3 different ways. Find a link, as a widget, or an iframe. The trigger icon for a widget can be customized, as well as the way a widget is going to appear on screen. As for the iframe, you can specify the sizes of it in the Custom Frame Size section. Once your flow is published and shared, it's important to understand your users' behavior. To see the key flow statistics, navigate yourself to the Analytics page and get key insights on how many users went through the flow, what were their unique journeys, how many times they viewed the flow pages, and how much time they spent on them.
Hi there, my name is Elena. I'll guide you through the process of creating flows at MarbleFlows platform. So here is my account. I've just signed in. I don't have flows just yet. Soon we'll be announcing templates as well, so you will be able to create flows not only from scratch, but also from the templates which are already made. So I'll create a flow. So here are different types of canvases that you can choose from. I'll go with a pop-up. So here is my Canva. I'm gonna work with that. So let's check what can I add here. All of those components are optional, so there is none of them are compulsory. I can add text, I can add image, video, some buttons to link the pages or external links, and background. I'll start with choosing a background. I'll go with a template and add some heading. Now I can modify my heading by choosing the color I want to. I can also change the alignment. It can be centered, left, or right. I leave it left. Then I add some subheading. And also will change the color. So now I have a heading, subheading. I'll also add an image here. I'll click on image and we'll upload the image here. So here is my image. I can also play with that. I can make it smaller or bigger, and I'll leave it like this. And I can also align it with the text. And I will add a button. So I can choose from different types of buttons here. I'll probably go with this one. I will link some other pages. So I'll add first the pages here. So the idea is that we can link with the buttons, pages in between. And I will call it show me more, and I will link page number 2. So now I got a button here. And I'll also play with the button. I make it bigger. I will choose a color. So I'll go maybe with this one, and then let's see what I have here. Yeah, and then let's go to the second page. Now my button here on the page 1 leads to the second page. So I'll be choosing the same background for the page number 2. And we'll add also some heading. And this time I'll add a video with the link. In my case, it's in the YouTube link, but it can be any video messaging or hosting tool. So my video is here. I can also make it smaller or bigger. And then we'll maybe add another button. So I will link now external page. Try it now. Okay, I'll have my button again. I'll make it bigger in this case, and we'll add the same color. So let's see what we get here with this short flow. Hi there, great to see you back. Show me more. And here is our video, which is played here inside the flow. Now, if I want to share this flow, I can do this by clicking share button and share it either with the link or creating a snippet code and pasting it to my website maybe, or my academy or elsewhere. So it's pretty simple. And once we have some templates to start with, you can also do it with the templates, and your analytics will be also here. Thank you, and hope you enjoy creating your customized user flows.